Hey, buddy. Well, Rox decided that it's time to crawl up in Mom's lap. He's my big boy. I know. You're giving me the stink eye about, huh? You gonna sit up here and give me the stink eye for the rest of the day? He'll sit here for the next hour, or he'll sit here for another 10 seconds. Who knows with him.
It's a spectacular Sunday for baseball
Look at
in
your
the
scooches.
Miami, Florida, and Dolphin Stadium, where we celebrate our opening day.
He does come up and want to just crawl up in your lap and just hang out for a while.
The New York Mets are in town to take on
You never know what's going to happen, so just take advantage of it when it does.
It's Sunday, MLB on TBS. And happy Easter, everybody. I'm Chip Carey. Welcome to our first of 26 regular season games of Sunday baseball on MLB on TBS. We'll take you all the way through the regular season on into the playoffs and this year's National League Championship.
That's the extent of Rox starting right now.
Ron Darling, happy Easter to you, and a great start for both of these ball clubs.